has just emerged, viewers, and what has emerged is a video that has come. It was recorded from Rahul Gandhi's iftar party. In this video, Yechury, Rahul Gandhi are all talking about forward and backward movement, which is a reference to the Prime Minister's fitness video. Rahul Gandhi says that the Prime Minister's fitness video is bizarre. And we have the video with us right now. And viewers, this was the video that was put out by the Prime Minister today. And in that, there is a form of exercise which is traditional, which is based in, based in Indian culture and Indian exercise techniques. Rahul Gandhi's exact use of words there is not clear, but I am told that an audio has now emerged of what Rahul Gandhi was saying there and what was in that conversation. I would like to play out the video right now, which is the biggest talking point in the country right now. And remember, yesterday Rahul Gandhi had politicized Atal Bihari Vajpayee's hospitalization. Now, in this video, Rahul Gandhi is mocking the Prime Minister's fitness challenge. He calls it bizarre. And someone presumably on Rahul Gandhi's table says forward, backward. Sitaram Yechury seems to say there's also ambience in the backyard. There's also ambience in the backward. Rahul then laughs. Dinesh Trivedi then says the economy is going backward. Yechury says the leader is taking India backward, and Rahul Gandhi says it is bizarre. So this was an open mocking of the Fit India initiative. This video is now on the screen. I'd like to play out the video first, then we'll talk about it.
Forward, backward. So backward पे आगे से economy going backward. Economy is going backward. And then the leader of taking India backward. But it's bizarre. Bizarre. Nothing left of that. Forward, backward. So backward पे आगे से economy going backward. Economy is going backward. And then the leader of taking India backward. But it's bizarre. Bizarre. Nothing left of that. Forward, backward. So backward पे आगे से economy going backward. Economy is going backward. And then the leader of taking India backward. But it's bizarre. Bizarre. Nothing left of that. Forward, backward. So backward पे आगे से economy going backward. Economy is going backward. And then the leader of taking India backward.
So that's the video, viewers, and I have some guests with me. Let's take this forward with them. Malavika Avinash, we saw that out there, and I could see, that the Rahul Gandhi says that the video of the Prime Minister was bizarre. Let's play the video also there, which was done there, which was earlier. And with us at this point of time in the debate, Sabha is joining us right now as well. We have Malavika Avinash, Ratan Sharda is joining us, Dinesh Vashni, Syed Abbas Ali Zaidi, Sabha Naqvi and Aarti Jairat. Rahul Gandhi said the Prime Minister's fitness video was bizarre. That's not just a childish comment. It was a pretty well thought out comment out there. That was an Indian exercise technique. Does Rahul Gandhi find Indian exercises technique bizarre? What was he talking about out there? Malavika Avinash and Sabha, let us get both of you in right now on this, since this video has just come out. Sabha, Malavika?
So, I mean, what can I say, Arnab? As someone who does an hour of yoga every morning, I suspect more than anybody on your panel, a very dedicated yoga practitioner. So, first of all, I was at the iftar. Obviously, I was not listening to every conversation. I didn't even get anywhere
No, no,
near
but to
Rahul.
say
I
it's
didn't even
bizarre
try.
and stuff
Because
like that,
there
you know,
was such
it
a
seems
crowd,
so.
I met other people there.
Yeah, but what was
the point
Malavika,
is,
what do you make of
no,
it?
No, you tell me one thing, Arnab. You and the BJP have spent months and months mocking Rahul Gandhi. If he has a view about something, presuming the audio that you're putting together and deducing in your, that's his prerogative. This is a private.
So I'm not saying anything on it.
It's happening in a public space where
Right.
the whole media was called. But the point is that the point is.
Your point is the
bizarre,
conversation should not have gone out.
Objection to what he may think is his view.
No, I want to know since the
No,
entire.
I'm not saying that. I'm
No,
saying.
so the point is, then he should.
What is
then
the
he should.
story here?
Then my point is,
That he,
I'll tell you
found,
what.
a particular
I'll tell you
yoga
what.
video
I'll tell you what.
which-
You see. You listen. If you look at the video out there, Malavika, if you see these pictures, can I get your attention on this? You know, there is an almost embarrassed Pratibha Patil and Pranab Mukherjee out there, and Rahul Gandhi says that the fitness challenge is bizarre. What is bizarre about it? And should there have been a public statement about it? Instead of, I mean, should there not have been a public statement about it? Malavika? Ratan Sharda, you're with me now?
Yes.
Ratan Sharda, we just got this video out here and it's the talking point right now. And someone in that tape says, taking India back, and then Rahul Gandhi says bizarre. What do you make of this conversation out there? You know, this whole conversation has been going on, but we haven't seen a public statement from the Congress yet on the fitness video. Is there a sense of discomfort with the fitness video itself, or with the fitness regime itself, or what?
See, I get amused by two things. One is that the people who are connected together are totally out of sync with what the New India thinks. The New India looks at healthy India, it looks at sporting India, and these people enjoying a party which is not even a party, a solemn occasion of iftar, they are tittering like young school boys making jokes about the monitor. So I am very amused actually. And it shows that they have made the country sick and now they are trying to make some capital out of it. But basically they are out of sync with the youth of this India, I would say.
Does it actually reflect an amount of discomfort here, Sabha, between, you know, the whole idea of the fitness videos itself? Because we've seen these barbs, we've seen this questioning of the fitness videos. Is there a sense of discomfort that is now emerging on the whole idea of this fitness program? This has been now an ongoing controversy for some time. Each time the Prime Minister puts out a fitness video or there is a conversation on a fitness program, there seems to be this.
I really can't understand. Nobody should have any issue with any fitness. If you feel somebody is making a tamasha, then say so. I don't.
What is the tamasha?
This little picking up of a word bizarre. We can come to any conclusions as a journalist.
No. What is the?
I can't see anything. I'm telling you, it is a very
is
crowded,
there a
noisy affair.
Malavika is now back.
I don't understand.
No, the question is there a discomfort?
For years I've done it.
Is there a discomfort, Sabha, with this whole fitness video, India hai to fit hai to India hai kind of concept? Is it seen to be bizarre? And why would it be seen to be bizarre? There has been this sort of discomfort with all these video schemes.
Why do you see, okay Arnab, let
my
me
question
put
is,
a counter
yes.
question to you. Do you see so many things that Rahul Gandhi does as bizarre? He may not see so, you may have a different opinion. He did not think he was being recorded. I mean, he was sitting on this table with whoever was there around him. I mean, we can ask Pranab Mukherjee, he's very loquacious right now, did Rahul say all this? You know, we could try Pranab Da and ask him if there is actually a story, Arnab. It's fun. I mean, this kind of thing, but I don't see
what is bizarre about a fitness campaign?
You know?
Malavika, what is bizarre about the fitness campaign?
How do we know it is said about that? How do we know?
You see, the
conversation was about the Prime Minister's video.
I think
the conversation, you know, was about the Prime Minister's video.
I think Malvika can't hear you. How do we know that? How?
It was there in the video.
Saying that that
Did someone raise it?
Yes, of course. The conversation was about the Prime Minister's video. Malavika, you can hear me? Do you have any doubts about the conversation was about the Prime Minister's video?
Unfortunately, I was unable to hear what was spoken because there was a lot of noise. But I don't see. I would presume that it must be about the Prime Minister and the discomfiture that is being experienced, the manner in which the Prime Minister is reaching out to the youth of this country. Speaking of health, let alone the health of the people of this country, the Congress party never bothered about the health of the economy or the nation itself. And therefore, I think Mr. Rahul Gandhi finds a lot of, it is his disconnect with the people of this nation that he were to make all these bizarre comments. And it's his political immaturity to be finding all this uncomfortable.
Now, why is there a degree of discomfort about the fitness? About the fitness video itself, Sabha.
How do we know?
What is
Arnab,
bizarre?
how
You
do
say,
we
let
know
me
he
give you
was
one
not
example
talking
here.
about Donald
Let me give you one example here. I run the video here. I'll speak over it.
How do
I'll
you know
speak
he was
over
not
it, and
talking about
I
Donald
wish.
Trump?
1 second, Sabha. 1 second. See, I want to ask you. You see, what is bizarre that the democratically
How do you know
elected
he was
Prime
not
Minister
talking about Donald
of
Trump
India.
and the
This
North
video is on
Korean
air. I want to show the
leader?
video, the Prime Minister's video, and I want a conversation on this one. There was a video the Prime Minister put out today. It's on the left-hand side of your screen that shows the Prime Minister in a number of yoga postures, etc. My question is, what is bizarre that the democratically elected Prime Minister of India, with 270 seats at the center, promoting an ideological shift and concentration on health in the world's largest democracy? What is bizarre about it? What is bizarre about it? Is the video bizarre? Is the Prime Minister personally featuring in the video bizarre? What is bizarre about it? Mr. Zaidi, what do you think? What is bizarre about it?
मैं देखिए इसमें इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा। इसके देखिए दो पहलू हैं। एक सेहतमंद प्रधानमंत्री का एक बीमार देश, या एक बीमार प्रधानमंत्री का सेहतमंद देश। सेहतमंद प्रधानमंत्री का सेहतमंद देश का वक्त तो पूरा निकल चुका है, वक्त गुजर चुका है। अब ये हिंदुस्तान की आवाम तय कर ले कि उनको किस तरह का देश चाहिए। सेहतमंद प्रधानमंत्री का बीमार देश चाहिए जैसा कि है, या उनको एक बीमार प्रधानमंत्री का सेहतमंद देश चाहिए। हम यहाँ पर देखिए एक बात कहना चाहेंगे।
नहीं ये बताइए, नहीं ये बताइए, जैदी जी ये वीडियो मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ, मैं पीएम का वीडियो प्ले करना चाहता हूँ और मैं सवाल आपको पूछ रहा हूँ। कैन वी रन द पिक्चर्स फुल फ्रेम प्लीज? सिंपल क्वेश्चन है मेरा ये, और ये क्वेश्चन सारे और द होल कंट्री विल आस्क, the youth of this country will ask, everybody will ask. Rahul Gandhi is saying the video is ridiculous. Can I run the pictures full frame, please? You run these pictures here. Can we run them full frame, please? And I'm asking here today, Mr. Zaidi, is this video bizarre? Is this video bizarre? If the Prime Minister of the country has featured in a, is the video bizarre?
Personally,
yes.
See, Arnab, I've expressed my opinion on this. I don't find this bizarre. But what I said is more important. I mean, ठीक है. I mean, you are concentrating on fitness. एक fitness का एक पूरा चल रहा है gimmick. I mean, it's kind कि आप असल मुद्दों से जहन को हटा रहे हैं. ठीक है. सेहतमंद रहना चाहिए, लेकिन सेहतमंद देश भी होना चाहिए, जो कि नहीं है.
नहीं, I am asking you, is fitness a bizarre thing?
के बारे में मैं समझता हूँ अगर कांग्रेस का कोई प्रवक्ता है,
नहीं, is fitness a bizarre thing?
इंडियन ट्रेडिशन से जुड़ा कोई भी,
ये बताइए मुझे, is fitness a bizarre thing?
No, fitness isn't a bizarre thing, but fitness isn't a bizarre thing. But
Malavika and Zaidi.
On the contrary, if we are talking about
Sir,
fitness,
June 21
and
happens
that
to be
too which is
International
being
Yoga
propagated by
Day,
the Prime
and the
Minister
whole
himself,
world celebrates
then he
it.
should also,
And that's because of Prime Minister Modi. And for you, fitness is a gimmick, sir?
Tell कि how
No, how is fitness a bizarre thing?
You sound no different from Rahul Gandhi,
हमारा
sir.
देश कितना सेहतमंद है?
You sound not different from Rahul
Fitness
Gandhi.
isn't a bizarre
Why are you
thing.
uncomfortable that the
लेकिन
Prime
आप
Minister
जितना अपनी
is
सेहत के
managing
बारे
to
में
communicate to the
फिक्रमंद
youth
हैं,
of this
होना भी
country?
चाहिए. सेहत होना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन आप इस देश की भी सेहत के बारे में उतना ही फिक्रमंद होना चाहिए था. 4 साल से ज्यादा का वक्त गुजर गया, चुनाव आ रहा है. देश के बारे में आप कितना फिट हैं? अभी जितने भी चुनाव हुए हैं पार्लियामेंट के, पूरे देश के हर सूबे में, आपको उत्तर देश की जनता ने बता दिया है. फिट रहना बुरी बात नहीं है मालविका जी, लेकिन इस देश की फिटनेस की जिम्मेदारी प्रधानमंत्री जी और सरकार की थी। इस जिम्मेदारी को उन्होंने पूरा नहीं किया। अपने
मालविका,
को फिट रख रहे हैं,
रतन
अपने
शारदा।
को
पॉलिटिकल हो गई सर आपके लिए, फिटनेस भी पॉलिटिकल हो गई अभी। So when Vivekar Swami
देश आपके लिए
Vivekananda said
political कब
that
होगा,
it's important
मैम?
to have a healthy body
ये
and a healthy
देश आपके
mind,
लिए
was that
पॉलिटिकल कब
political?
होगा? आप देश को एक हेल्थ फॉर्म पे क्यों लेके जा रहे हो? आप
देश को हम चला रहे हैं सर, आप चलाने दीजिए।
2 करोड़ नौकरी हर साल देने वाले थे।
सर,
2
सर,
करोड़
लोग तय
नौकरी
करेंगे कि
जिस
देश को
देश
कैसे
में
चला रहे हैं।
बेरोजगारी होगी,
आपसे
जिस देश का
सर्टिफिकेट नहीं
किसान
मांग रहे,
आत्महत्या
आप
करेगा,
फिटनेस की बात
उस
करिए।
देश का प्रधानमंत्री
आपको
भले ही
प्रॉब्लम
फिट
क्या है
हो,
सेहत
लेकिन
से?
वो देश एक कमजोर देश माना जाएगा।
नहीं,
आप इस
देखिए,
बात से क्यों?
देखिए Zaidi ji,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं मैम।
Mr. Zaidi, and I'm pretty sure the debate on this is a debate which has been building for some time, and you know the Prime Minister was demonstrating that he's inspired by the Pancha Tattvas. One second. So Sabha, this was and Ratan Shata can explain this. The Prime Minister was demonstrating he was inspired by the Pancha Tattvas, of the 5 elements of nature, Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Vayu and Akash. Was that too Indian for Rahul Gandhi? Why was
Arnab, it is very
you
difficult
saw
for
the
them to understand Indian
Arnab,
tradition.
Ratan Sharda and Sabha.
जो योगा किया
I can
And with the
understand
pictures.
these are rootless people. They built an educational system which was rootless. They built an education system which has no link to the Indian genius. So they cannot understand. They cannot understand yoga. They cannot understand Panchatattva. That is too big a word for
the
them.
BJP spokesperson, the lady here, spoke as if Prime Minister Modi invented yoga. I just want to inform you that in the United Nations, you have War Widows Day, you have healthy,
Malvika.
dental
But tell
care
me,
day, you have all
no,
sorts of
Congress
days.
party
I have
did not
gone
do
to
it
the
for
list.
70 years.
Be very
You
clear.
cannot take away the
Yoga,
credit from the
it does
BJP
not
for that.
belong to,
As much as
to
you'd like
Prime
to.
Minister Modi. You said
did
it.
not
What
invent
do you
yoga, but he
have?
did put
If
it
the
on the
nation
world
wants to
map.
be fit, do you think the people in this world, second largest nation, are so stupid about fitness that you needed to have one Prime Minister teach them about fitness? So first, please understand, you diminish yoga, you diminish a great tradition when you try to take political capital out of it. I will tell you that.
How
you
is-
are taking political. Should
Malvika.
I tell you who all in the political class in Delhi are serious yoga practitioners? You'd be surprised to know.
Are you
Shri
going to
Digvijay
say
Singh.
that June
Arnab may know
21
that. The
it
Congress,
becomes International
the
Yoga Day
congressman.
and the
He's
Prime
been
Minister
doing
doesn't get
yoga
any credit for
vigorously,
it?
2 hours every morning for
How
years.
sad is that?
If you move
Why
on
is it
the
that so
fitness,
far
you
the
know who
Congress never
really
spoke
does
of it?
yoga. Now, you are pretending as if Narendra Modi invented yoga, which is one of India's...
Ratan Sharda and Malvika.
Follow who's doing yoga and
About
who's
the
not.
video to
All I
reply
can
to
tell you
Arnab,
is that we have an
Arnab,
International
about
Yoga
the
Day
video.
thanks to
We
Prime
have
Minister
no-
Modi. That's
I
all.
have no proof that Rahul was...
Ratan
The
Sharda
word
versus
says-
Sabha.
Which other government
People
had
would
the
consider the
had the
video
vision
a bit
and
over
the
the
breadth
top
of
because it
getting
is unusual in
177
India
nations
to see
on
a
board
Prime Minister...
to bring yoga to the world stage
I don't know if I'm
and
being
own that
heard. Should I
yoga.
stop or should I
Why
talk?
none of our friends did it for 70 years? That's the question. It's not who brought in. It is who gave it respect to the world over when people are trying to digest yoga in some varied ways and trying
You
to
really
get rules
think-
from India.
do you know that when the Beatles came to
Modi
India
got
in
it
the
recognition as
1960s,
Indian heritage.
Maharishi
You
Mahesh
must
Yogi was
respect that
teaching them
Modi's
yoga,
approach.
sir.
You must say
When Narendra
that
Modi
after
was-
within
must
6
have been a
months he got
child.
it done when for
Do
70
you know all
years
these facts
Congress
about your
never
own
bothered.
country? Do I
That
have
a
to
big
educate
heritage
you
of
every
India
night?
was given
That you
world
show so much
recognition.
ignorance
That is the
and at
achievement,
the
Modi.
same
What
time
is
you
your, why you
pretend
can't
to be
accept
so
it?
knowledgeable
What
about
is
India?
burning you up to
What did
accept
Maharishi
that
Mahesh
Modi
Yogi
got
do?
this thing, world
He was telling the
recognition?
Beatles about
I
yoga.
don't understand.
What do you guys...
Why we
I
can't
mean,
give
I don't
credit to
know.
people where
I'm
it is
not
due?
appalled at your
You are a
ideology, I'm
journalist.
appalled at your ignorance.
Dinesh Vashni.
Facts.
Very
Dinesh
well.
Vashni.
You should not
You
try to
really
deflect
believe-
Dinesh
the credit
Vashni.
where it is due.
Really big-
Dinesh
You should be
Vashni.
objective.
Dinesh Vashni, is there a
Nobody ever claimed
Dinesh
that yoga was
Vashni?
invented by
Dinesh
Modi.
Vashni.
He brought to the verse you cannot deny.
Dinesh Vashni, see, listen, nobody invented yoga. But the fact of the matter is that you have gone and said that the video is bizarre. First of all, this is not a public statement. In your view, is there a certain amount of insecurity, Dinesh Vashni, with the fact that these kind of videos may be popular among the youth, among people across the country? Is there a worry that these kind of videos may connect to people? What is the problem, Dinesh Vashni? Please tell me. Since this video has been called bizarre, and the general opinion of the opposition is that the video is bizarre, what is the problem?
Arnab, there is no problem. let me tell you one fact first of all about the yogic exercises. That most of the original yogic exercises have come. The human being have learned from the birds and the animal body movements. Number two.
No. It's also been said.
No. Have made this video.
दिनेश वाजपेयी जी, उसका कैटलॉग किसने किया? उसको योग का स्वरूप किसने दिया? जानवरों की स्टडी किसने की? बताइए मुझे, दुनिया में किसने की? हिंदुओं ने की, भारत ने की।
और if you are so much concerned
जानवरों
about
को
the
देख
health
आपने
of
नहीं
the
किया ना,
people by
आपने
this
ऋषि
video
मुनियों को
of
देख के
Modi
किया
ji,
ना।
then kindly make available these type of tracks in the Delhi parks or in the parks of the country. Please grant them money from the money which you are charging exuberantly from the petrol and diesel prices. Please provide that of these type of parks to us. I also do exercises every morning for 10 minutes. Either I go to swimming pool or I go to
Malvika.
and do the similar type of exercises since I was in 9th standard.
सारा
So
दिवालिया
you don't
निकाल के
need an
रखा तो प्रोफेसर
advertisement
साहब
for
आपको
this.
पता है?
Malvika and Zaidi.
Making himself an advertisement.
Malvika and Zaidi.
एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर, देखिए योगा के महत्व को लेकर के कोई प्रश्न चिन्ह नहीं है। अर्नब जी, मैं अपना पर्सनल अपनी तकलीफ रखना चाहता हूँ आपके चैनल के जरिए से।
जी,
ये हम उत्तर प्रदेश के रहने वाले पर्सनल अपनी तकलीफ रखना चाहते हैं आपके चैनल की तरफ से। अर्नब जी, योगा से हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मोदी जी से हमारा अनुरोध है आपके चैनल की तरफ से, उत्तर प्रदेश को आईसीयू में ले गए योगी जी, योगा छोड़ के पहले योगी जी को भी नियंत्रित करें।
रतन शारदा,
इस देश ने आपको योगा सिखाने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री, इस देश के लोगों ने बेरोजगारी दूर करने के लिए बताया।
I lost the audio with
साल में एक नौकरी नहीं दी आपने नौजवानों को। नौजवान आपके वीडियोस देख करके खुश होते हैं, हम भी खुश होते हैं, लेकिन हमको खुशी तब ज्यादा होती जब आप नौजवानों को नौकरी देते। नौकरी पाए हुए नौजवान आपका वीडियो देखते तो दोहरी खुशी होती। अभी खुशी हो रही है।
the debate is only over what was bizarre.
बहस कर लूंगा, आप इकोनॉमी में बहस अलग से करिए। आज का मुद्दा ये है कि देश को फिट करना गुनाह है क्या? देश को फिट करना मजाक है क्या? अगर योग विश्व में पहुंचाया तो मजाक हो गया क्या? जिसकी धरोहर को हमने कोई मान्यता न देनी, हमने 70 साल ये मान्यता दुनिया को दिलवाई नहीं, लोगों को ये दिलवाया नहीं कि घर में कर सकते हैं, आप फिट रह सकते हैं,
हमारे देश का स्वाभिमान है,
उसको सम्मानित करने में आपको क्या तकलीफ है?
संसार में बढ़ाने
आप
वाला
हर चीज
है।
में अगर मगर क्यों लगाते हैं?
आपको योग कराने और योग सिखाने के लिए या इस सरकार को इसलिए नहीं चुना गया था, इस सरकार को इसलिए चुना गया था कि आप देश विरोधी ताकतों से लड़ेंगे, लेकिन आप देश विरोधी ताकतों से जुड़ गए। इस सरकार को इसलिए चुना था कि हमारी सबसे सेंसिटिव स्टेट जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन होगा, लेकिन आपने अमन को खत्म करने वाली ताकतों का साथ दे दिया। हम योगा का सम्मान करते हैं, देश की सारी परंपराओं का, देश की सारी एक्सरसाइज का सम्मान करते हैं। आप सरकार कब चलाएंगे? 4 साल तो गुजर गया,
आप और कांग्रेस मिलकर समाज को तोड़ रहे हैं।
Mr. Zaidi,
आप धार्मिक भावनाओं को भड़का रहे हैं, आप
Mr. Zaidi,
लगा रहे हैं।
Mr. Zaidi, if you look at this video, and this, see, the issue has been made an issue by Rahul Gandhi and the opposition. Tuhin is on the debate right now. You see, when you see this video, you see the Prime Minister sitting on a rock and performing Kapal Bharti. My question is Kapal Bharti the problem? Is that bizarre? Is that taking India backward? The Prime Minister is standing there. Look at the video out there, Tuhin. The Prime Minister is standing there and he is saying, I'm inspired by the Pancha Tattvas. Is that bizarre? Is yoga bizarre? Is Kapal Bharti bizarre? Or is the fact that the Prime Minister of India should not be doing these kind of videos bizarre?
Prime Minister
is this? Tuhin will debate with you, sir. Tuhin will debate with you, sir. Tuhin will debate with you, sir.
This is his personal choice.
The thing about pathological hatred is that
सेहतमंद मैं उनको बधाई दे रहा हूँ, सेहतमंद रहना चाहते हैं और
the thing about pathological hatred is that you are consumed with so much venom that you don't even realize when you start behaving stupid. So on the one hand, you rush to get a photo of, in a hospital where Vajpayee ji is admitted, and on the other hand, you mock a fitness video. But fact is, if you look at the history of the last 3 years, Where does Rahul Gandhi disappear every day on Yoga Day? It's a pathological disregard for the Indian yoga. That's what it is seen.
इस देश के
And I'm very surprised that, you know, instead of appreciating a 67-year-old man who's trying to inspire the youth,
तो ये गलत है.
you are mocking him.
देश ने आपको
No, it was the mocking.
इसलिए नहीं चुना था कि आप हमारे फिटनेस गिमिक बने,
No, at least
हमारे
have some
फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट
respect.
बने.
Right, so that's the question. Malvika Avinash.
Most of these who are
Malvika
mocking him
Avinash, the
would
question
find
being put here is, 1 second, the question being put here by the opposition is that the Prime Minister was not elected to be the fitness guru of the country. Please respond to that. And you see the pictures there, which is now turning controversial. Look at the number of people commenting on it. The Prime Minister goes backward on a rock, folds his palms to the skies. And Rahul Gandhi says this is the most bizarre thing, India is going backward. Look at these pictures out here, and Malvika Avinash, let's debate this today. What is the problem? This is not a communal video. It's a personal video. The argument can equally be put, Sabha, that the Prime Minister says, I want to lead by example. So please debate it today. Please debate it today. Another second video is coming, which I'll put out after some time. Malvika and Sabha. Malvika and Sabha, please. Malvika and Sabha.
Was elected to govern.
Malvika and Sabha, please, on the debate. Malvika first.
India also happens to be somebody who inspires
one
the
is
youth of
mocking
India.
anything, Arnab.
And fitness is one
I don't know,
such,
you can,
one
Malvika
such
wants to talk, she can
quality
talk.
of his that he wishes to inspire the youth with. What is the problem? What is the problem? What has it got to do with governance? These are separate issues. It's all very convenient to put them all together and make politics of everything.
Zedi.
Have we not seen how fit Obama used to be? Do we have a quarrel with that
प्रधानमंत्री
too?
की श्रेणी में
Presidents of
अपने
United
आप को
States have
लाना था,
always been very fit
तो
people
जम्मू
and
कश्मीर की
have
सरकार को
propagated
बर्खास्त
fitness.
करना
Do we have
चाहिए
a
था.
quarrel with that
जिस
also
दिन
then?
हमारे
And
भारतीय
the Prime
सेना पे
Minister is
पहला
propagating
पत्थर आया
India's
था,
rich heritage
उसी
and
दिन जम्मू
culture,
कश्मीर
which
की
happens to
सरकार
be
से
yoga.
आपको
You have a
समर्थन
problem with
वापस
that,
लेना
Mr.
चाहिए
Rahul
था.
Gandhi?
आप ये किस तरह का
Why don't you do
ये
yoga
एग्जाम्पल
yourself?
सेट
Then you'll
कीजिए.
not have any of
देश
these
विरोधी
problems.
ताकतों में
And
पीडीपी
you'll
के
be
साथ
less of
खड़े
a
होकर के
part-time
आप सरकार
politician.
चला रहे हो.
And you'll
आप
take the country and its
आपने
issues more
कैसे
seriously.
कैसे एग्जाम्पल
Twin.
Reflecting this kind of political
Fitness की
immaturity.
जांच करनी पड़ेगी.
अपने फिटनेस के प्रति जितना
You know, I'm very amused that people are connecting all issues in the country with fitness. You know, when you talk like this, I'm sorry, but there will be questions on your mental fitness. Please don't club issues. Please don't club issues like this. You're bringing Kashmir
Don't worry
into it.
about
You're
my
bringing
mental
governance
fitness.
into it. It's a basic
Please,
thing
sir,
about
please,
keeping
sir,
fit.
please don't
And
worry
when you
about
talk
mental-
like this,
my
when you
mental
involve
fitness.
all other
If I
issues, then
fall
I'm sorry,
mentally
but I'll have to
sick
question
and
your
my
mental
country
fitness.
flourishes and my country gets healthy, I'm okay with it. Forget about my mental sickness. If I fall mentally ill and my country gets healthy,
No,
I'm
are you-
fine with it.
how
You
are
talk
you
about
linking
your
bizarre
mental
things?
No,
sickness.
there is another question I have. I'll run some pictures. One second. One second. So the next question is the following. I have the pictures of Rahul Gandhi's martial arts moves. No, one second. We took two sets of pictures here. When the PR machinery for Rahul Gandhi releases pictures about Rahul Gandhi's black belt in Aikido, that is cool for the lobby. But yoga being done by the Prime Minister is backward. Yoga is backward. Aikido is cool. Please explain this. How is yoga backward? How is yoga backward and a foreign martial art cool? Please explain this.
Every 30 days,
Ratan Chadha and Sabha.
Yoga.
I want to know whether you want
Go back
a
to the
leader
PM.
who after every month
mean,
goes
Arnab,
out
I
for a
don't
week
know
to
where
get fit
you are
again,
coming
and you want
to
a
so
leader
many
who works 24/7. Who is
First
the
of
fitter
all,
leader? So I
either
will
Ratan
follow a
Chadha
leader
is
who
talking
works
or I am
non-stop
talking.
rather than follow a
Mr. Ratan
leader
Chadha,
who
I
after
know what
every
you're
month
saying.
takes a break, goes
Carry
outside
on.
Thailand, Italy to get fit again. He cannot stay for more than 1 month into Indian environment. He gets sick and go out.
Yeah,
So is that
you
fitness
guys,
that
you
you want
know, first
for
of
the
all,
country?
Arnab, are you
And you call a
suggesting
fit
that
person,
foreigners
bizarre
who do
person?
yoga
It's so
around the
funny.
world before Prime Minister Modi was born, yoga has been practiced
Come on.
across
So how
the
is
world
yoga
for
bizarre?
decades
What is
and
a
decades.
bitterness?
In
How
this
is
century
so then
and the
Sabha?
last one.
Sabha, listen.
The current
Sabha, listen.
president
I'm only
is not. They are
Sabha.
doing some foreign thing.
I go back. Sabha and Ratan Chadha can come into the debate,
What are you
please.
saying?
My only
And
question
first of
is,
all, how do you know Rahul was talking about this?
how is yoga bizarre?
And how do you think these BJP
How is Yoga
guys are
bizarre? I'll
sitting
play a
there
second video. Let's play a
talking
second video.
rubbish about,
Let's play a second video.
Prime Minister
Rabbi,
Modi
you
is
may be very
inspiring
Let's play a
people,
second video.
You may be very
yoga.
brave.
I'll play the second video in some time.
Precedes you
One sec.
guys. You
No,
please
no,
learn
no,
some
no, no, no,
history your
no.
own.
I'm asking you.
Learn the history of yoga.
I am asking you
Learn
here
about
now.
the, you know,
I am asking you here
all
now.
those schools
How
of
is a
yoga,
Sabha? Listen,
they've
Sabha,
been there for
listen.
years.
Mr. Zaidi,
Arnab, these people are out of
Mr.
sync, very
Zaidi, Mr.
simple.
Zaidi,
These
Mr.
people are
Zaidi,
out of
Mr.
sync
Zaidi,
with the-
please
with the
explain
nation,
to
with the
me,
young.
how is a Japanese martial art cool and yoga bizarre? Simple. I'll end the debate with this question.
अर्नब जी, मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि अगर आज हमारे योगा को पूरे देश ने और पूरी दुनिया ने माना है और उसको स्वीकार किया, तो हमको टिप्पणी किसी दूसरे देश की आर्ट पे नहीं करना चाहिए। लेकिन मैं इतना कहूँगा, योगा हमारे देश के सम्मान से और सेहत से सीधे जुड़ा है, हम उसका सम्मान करते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी फिटनेस को लेकर के जागृत हैं, प्रधानमंत्री फिटनेस को लेकर अवेयरनेस फैला रहे हैं, हम उसका भी सम्मान करते हैं। लेकिन एज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर हम उनसे अपेक्षा, इस देश की जनता उनसे अपेक्षा ये करती थी कि उनको महबूबा मुफ्ती जैसे लोगों से दूर रहना चाहिए था और इस देश की राजनीति को इनके
That is a
जैसे
separate
लोगों
issue.
को देना
करके
चाहिए था।
मारे जा
हम
रहे
ये expect
हैं,
करते थे।
सारे देश के लिए दिन रात चिंता करते हैं, तो आधा घंटा व्यायाम करेंगे तो आपको दिक्कत है क्या? अगर फिट रहेंगे, बिना छुट्टी लिए, बिना बीमार पड़े 4 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, बल्कि 16 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, आपने स्वागत करने का फिट प्राइम मिनिस्टर को मिला है और तभी वो काम कर सकते हैं ना। वो आधा घंटा व्यायाम करते हैं, देश के लिए 24 घंटे काम करते हैं ना। आपके नेता तो इटली चले जाते हैं, आपके नेता बैंकॉक चले जाते हैं, आपके नेता गायब हो जाते हैं। एक मेरे ज्यादा का स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं रहता, तो वो स्वास्थ्य ठीक रखते हैं, देश के लिए
Well,
काम कर रहे हैं।
certainly I see this is a talking point. I think there can be multiple perspectives on this. It's also circumstantial that the video actually came out. I play the pictures of the Prime Minister's video, full frame right now before I close, and viewers, the question is this bizarre? I leave this at your door, and I shall see you at 9 p.m. tomorrow with another big story and the day's biggest debate. Good night and goodbye.